from crashing into a neighbor's home and facing instant consequences. To an ex-employee who responds to getting fired with workplace assault. And a woman who turns a simple ticket into her own arrest. Sometimes the fastest way to jail is insisting on making every situation worse, one bad choice at a time.
Get me out of here!
I'm getting you out.
Get me out of here! Get me out of here!
Lean forward, I'm getting you out.
On December 30th, 2024, SUV lodged in neighbor's living room, driver missing, officers question, stunned homeowner. Will the ghost driver materialize or melt into midnight?
Who's driving that car? Long braids, she's a female, black or white. Hey, run the plate on that real quick so I can see where she lives. She said, yeah, black female with like braids. And she said she was headed home to see her kids, but her address comes back to, the girl who owns the car comes back to Cleveland, so.
Came across right there.
Copy, 45.
Alright, I see. Okay. They're not asleep.
Hell no.
He won't answer my questions. They don't care to come outside.
610.
The guy won't come outside, Hassie. I keep asking him to come out. He won't come out.
I'm out of the house?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can cancel EMS for right now. We don't have anybody in this vehicle. He just ignored you?
Yeah, like he had the door open. I was like, hey, is anybody hurt? And he just closed the door and went inside. He got me shining a light in his face.
I told 15 to go check Adkins. It's right around the corner. There's a domestic connected to this car that comes back to Adkins. She's probably running there.
Curious to see how they're going to get this one.
Yeah, no shit. There's her, there's a piece of her.
Oh, no, don't run. We're not doing that. We're investigating something right now. We just need you to ID yourself so we can figure out what's going on.
Officers corner braid-haired woman strolling street. She deflects ID, clutches purse. Does feigned calm disguise booze-fueled crash, guilt about to detonate?
I just came from the strip club. Jesus Christ.
It looks like you're in a car accident. Come with us really quick. No weapons or anything on you, dear.
No.
What's this right here? It's nothing. It's just your pants. I'm making sure. Can I just hold your purse real quick, dear? Do you have ID on you?
Yes.
Okay, can I have your ID?
34 to the unit. Come here to east.
Alright, ma'am. Go and put your hands behind your back.
Can I wait?
Yeah, in a moment. Put your hands behind your back.
Why are you taking my purse? This is so. Can I check on my kids, please? Can I check on my kids?
Copy, fire
Where you stay?
Right here.
Where?
Nearby.
So you just walk by?
There's stuff in your hands.
No, I'm not letting go of my
You're going to
crackers.
get it back.
Can I have my crackers?
Just
Why
let
are you
go
worried
of it.
about your crackers?
Just
Why are you
let
being a
go
child?
of it.
Cause let me have my crackers.
You're going to get your property back. I don't want your crackers.
Right. So
Yes.
why can't I have them?
Because you have to go in the back of the freezer.
No, I'm gonna walk to my
No,
kids.
we're not.
Yes,
We're going
I
to go
am.
right here.
Can you please walk me to my kids?
No, we can't.
Listen, don't do that, because then we're going to have to put you in
No.
this rap device. Listen real quick.
Please, I'm not saying nothing. Please let me
listen real
talk
quick.
to my kids. That's what I'm
What's your name,
asking.
dear?
Listen real quick. If you act a fool, we're going to have to put you in this rap device, and we don't want to have to do that. So we have to put you in the back of this cruiser. You're going to get yourself in trouble.
My kids are in the house by themselves. Please,
How old
let
are
me
your
talk
kids?
to my kids. They're just minors.
Okay, well, send the car and we'll check on them.
Get in
No.
there. Get in there.
Ida refusal morphs into cracker clutch and cruiser dodge. Cops warn WRAP. Will snacks, sass, and slippery feet trump cuffs or ignite tougher tactics?
I just want to talk to my kids.
But it's a process that you have to take. Right now, you are involved in this investigation. We're going to check on your kids and make sure that your kids is okay.
I'm not gonna let y'all. I'm not gonna leave that up to y'all.
Either way it go, we have to check on your kids. First of all, you left your kids by themselves, and they minors.
How old are they?
So either way it go, we gotta
Please let me
check.
check on them.
No, you're not gonna check on them. We're gonna check on them. Where the black truck is at? Just put her in, bro.
Alright, go ahead and hop in there.
Don't touch me!
Put her in the device, bro. Stand her up. I think so.
Why y'all have to do that?
No,
Please,
you
I just
didn't
want to
do
check
it.
on my kids.
You don't dictate what happens.
Right. So why can't I check
Because
on my
you don't
kids?
dictate what happened. Right now, you're in a police investigation. You did something wrong. So now we have to do our job. Well, our thing is, you have to let us do our job. If you just got in the car, now we're about to put you on this rap device because you want to fight and you want to kick. I don't want to have to do that.
When did I kick?
You just was fighting and kicking right then and there.
When did I kick?
So
I never kicked
is you going to
you.
sit in here?
Did I kick you?
Kick towards him.
I never kicked anybody.
Okay, are you gonna get in the back of the cruiser?
No, I'm not until I
Alright,
see if my
alright.
kids are okay.
You don't get to
Please.
dictate what
Am
happens.
I wrong for wanting to see that my kids are okay? Y'all can take me willingly, and I promise y'all, when I
Don't
fight
work
for
like
please,
that.
let me see if my kids are
It doesn't work.
okay.
That's why you going to this rap device.
Right. You're the only one sitting here in my face yelling.
I'm
They
trying to
ain't
help
saying
you.
nothing to
I'm
me.
trying to help you.
I don't need your help,
Okay,
though.
clearly you don't.
All right. Get up. Get in the cruiser. What's your kids' names?
Jaden, no, can I
I'm
please
going-
see my kids?
Not at this time,
Why?
because we're investigating a traffic accident.
I explained that to her.
Y'all
Yes, I know.
can't
So this is-
traffic investigate anything. Why can't I
No,
see
you
my
can't because
children?
a car went into a house.
Negotiations collapse. WRAP unfurled, wrists bound, legs cinched. Motherly pleas collide with procedure. Does screaming for unseen kids beat a shoulder hoist into restraint?
But it wasn't
So that's what we're investigating. So can you
right,
get in
and
the
that's
cruiser?
okay. No,
Because
I don't want to.
you're going to
I
talk
can't.
yourself into county. Do you want to go to county?
I don't care where I go. Please
Okay.
just let me see my kids.
All right.
First action.
I don't want to talk to you though. I don't like you.
I don't like you either.
Where are your kids at?
She want us to do her a favor and go let her check on her kids first before she cooperates
I don't-
with us. It don't work like that.
How old are they? Are they like young?
They're minors.
They're minors.
What she said.
Oh,
That's all she says. They're minors. She won't tell us, but she want to check on her kids that she left in the house by themselves.
Right. So what? Now you gotta judge me because I'm a mom. So what? And I'm not. And I don't feel bad about it because my kids are taken care of.
let's just show her
I
her
just want to
kids.
see my
Let's
kids.
just-
Regardless of the fact she left her kids here, why is we doing her a favor? Put her in a cruiser. If she fight, put her in a device.
We don't have one. Okay, just bring her over.
I just
I don't.
want to see my kids, please. Please, I just
If
want
you
to see
can
my
answer
kids.
our
I will go.
questions, it'll be a lot easier to work with you.
I just want to see my
Is there
kids.
anybody else in the house?
No.
Yep.
No, keep him away from. I don't want him. Keep him away from my house. Keep him away
You're
from my
already
kids.
in cuffs.
No, I will stay away. Keep him away from my kids. Don't open the door. Don't open the door. Don't open the door. Jaden, even when I leave, do not open this door for nobody.
Just pull her that way and then we'll get this door closed.
No!
You're the one doing it. You
I
up.
will go!
Can I sit you up this way?
Oh.
Let's come this way.
Oh.
We have to move.
Oh, okay, I said okay.
We're not doing anything.
Get off of me. Get off of me, please.
Do you want to sit up? Probably.
Okay, I said I will move.
I'm about to go grab it. Come on, Par.
All right. Do you want to? We can get you out and you'll sit down. We can help you.
No, don't touch me. Please don't touch me.
So here's the thing. The other car is going to pick up a wrap.
Trapped in the cruiser, she barks at kids through the door, bites the seatbelt, hurls blame. Midnight sobriety test looming. Will attitude sober before thermometer or jail cell clicks?
Can you please help me?
What do you need help with?
My children.
That's not an option right now.
Swagger.
Yeah.
You ever seen this before?
I have not.
No. It's a new tool we got. When people don't want to listen, this is what we get out. Ready?
Let's do it.
Let's go.
Oh, you cooperating now? Is she gonna sit now?
Are you going to sit?
We not
We've been
trying to put you
this.
in this. I really don't want to put you in this. This is what I need you to understand. I might have came off.
Why are you talking to me?
Okay, you talk to
I don't
her.
want to talk.
You can go in this restraining device and we can put you in the back of the car. I know it sucks. I know you're upset about it. But these are your two options. You get in by yourself or you
Just
get put
put
in a
me
wrap.
in it.
You're not
I'm
gonna
not
get the
gonna lie to
cruiser.
y'all, no. Because
told
I'm
you
not
I'll
going
go-
to the barrier. I want to talk to my kids.
I told you I'll go check on your kids. I just need their names and information so we don't scare
No.
All right, lay down. Yep, all the way down.
I hope that y'all feel okay. I just wanted to
gave you
see if
every
my
option.
babies was okay. You did not give me that shit to see if my babies was okay. I didn't know how to have it.
Watch your face, Steve.
There.
All right, look, I'm gonna lift you to, I'm gonna roll you to your side. All
It
right.
don't matter.
Okay.
I'm here.
Okay. I'm just letting you know.
You're the main one I don't like.
All right.
Stay away from me. Everybody arrest me but him. Keep him away from me. Jesus, if y'all was gonna arrest me like this, y'all should have said that. I would just got up.
We were trying to explain it to you.
Right. This evil man over here to my left, maybe.
I don't know that he's evil.
I did.
I bet you don't,
Man, I
but
am
he
like
bothering me. Oh! I'm about to. So please don't do that no more.
Are you able to breathe? You fit both hands in.
Jesus Christ. Would have did it if I knew they was gonna do this.
They explained it to you that you were
No,
gonna go
they
in
didn't.
this.
They didn't
did. I was
explain it.
standing
No,
right
they
here.
did not.
Okay.
No, they did not. No, they did not.
All right. But that's
Don't open up my door. Don't open up my door.
Listen.
Then shut the f up.
All right. I need to be able to check on your children.
Girl.
Okay.
Girl.
You're right. I'll
Girl.
just get CSB involved.
Girl. Don't open up my door. They need a warrant. Do not open up my door. Why you gotta put something over my head? I did not
for
do
your
nothing.
protection.
No. No.
Cops negotiate child handoff. Sister answers phone but brings her own felony warrant. Can family rescue morph into a double arrest twist worthy of reality TV?
Get off of me.
Tighten everything up so she's...
Y'all gotta tighten it because she got way too much movement.
I don't have nothing to... JD! Do not open up my door!
Nope, we're not doing that.
Close. I got her. Close that door.
Get off of me!
Buckled up.
Get off of me!
You're getting buckled up. You done? Yep, sure am.
Stop in this car! Get me out of here!
I'm getting you out.
Get me out of here! Get me out of here!
Lean forward. I'm getting you out.
No!
I'm getting you out.
No, you're not!
I had to take the seatbelt off.
I swear to God, where's my kids?
Can you hear me? So here's the deal. I cannot leave your children here. I can't leave them here. So either I need permission for them to go stay with a parent, grandparent. Perfect. Perfect.
Please don't take my baby.
Then help me help you. How do I get a hold of her? I'm gonna have to give them. I will have to give them to Children's Services. How do I get a hold of your sister?
They're going to your sister's house.
Please. Or they.
They really are. All right, dear. We're going to carry you in here, and then we're getting you checked out. I'm still waiting on the phone
I
call.
don't want to, please. Are they okay?
I'm still waiting on the phone call. Look.
I just don't.
Don't fall.
I
Look.
refuse here. Just take me to jail.
Can I get your temperature real quick? Can you open your mouth for me?
Check it another way.
So, like, when you do rectal, what do you want to do? Mouth or rectal?
That's fine. I had anal sex before, lady.
Hello.
Hi.
Are you Jd?
Yes.
Okay. She is currently in custody. She's going to be going to jail tonight.
What happened?
She wrecked her car and then fled the scene.
You got any warrants or anything like that?
No.
Have you ever been charged with domestic violence?
No. But I have a misdemeanor from like years ago for
what?
assault.
How long ago was that?
For like 5 years ago.
We'll contact CSB. We'll have to temporarily take the kids into our custody, and then CSB will check you out. But CSB has to they have to run you, make sure there's nothing that sets off any alarms.
How do we get in contact?
When they call, they will call you.
Okay.
And if you have any other leads on where they could go, you can talk to CSB about it.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
All right, just keep an ear out for your phone, all right?
All right.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Will judges view crash and chaos as reckless lapse or hammer home iron bar New Year's resolution?
I apologize. I thought the other officers ran you before you came over here.
How did I get in trouble?
The case number's in 2024, so I don't know about if you might have broken someone's house or what exactly happened.
I never got charged.
Where did this happen at?
This was like a couple months ago, and I had a detective call me, and that was the last thing I heard about that.
And I was just notified of that.
Like, how am I being in trouble for this? My sister was the one who got in trouble, and for helping my sister, I get arrested.
You have a warrant, and we can't just, like my partner said, we can't summon you on the warrant. Okay?
Yeah, listen,
if we could, we would.
Have your time in court.
Nephews is what's going to happen to your kids.
This is crazy.
Okay?
So I have to go to jail?
Today you're going to jail. Yes,
Don't take me to jail, please.
Our hands are tied.
I want to go to jail.
Our hands are tied, okay?
I didn't do anything wrong.
You have a warrant, and this is the only way it's going to get taken care of, okay?
But my kids.
Can you put your feet in?
The woman committed multiple offenses, including driving under the influence, DUI, child neglect due to leaving minors unattended, obstruction of justice, and possession of an open alcohol container in a vehicle. That clip got a reaction, and the comments definitely reflect it. Take a look. I agree with that one officer. Why are they doing her a favor? She is a criminal. Those kids haven't been okay since the day they were born. The last thing on earth that she cares about is her kids. Still wondering what the big deal is? Keep watching. The next one delivers.
I didn't do anything. You're lying. I didn't do anything. Stop.
Fired at work, but why escalate it to violence? On July 8th, 2023, police arrived as she denied everything, claiming she did nothing despite co-workers saying otherwise.
Somebody needs got terminated. Hey, Paul. Where's she at? In the van. You back here? Do you guys want anything done with her or no? Do you want anything done with her or no?
I want to never be allowed to do this.
Okay. Fuck this. Hold up. Hey! Slow down. Hey! Knock it off. Stop! Stop! Why are you touching me? I didn't do anything.
Ma'am, relax.
I didn't do anything.
Turn it around.
I'm not doing anything.
You're under arrest.
For what? For what? You were cheering at somebody. I didn't go cheer at nobody.
She screams, fights back, and demands officers explain why she's being detained. What happens when you resist instead of walking away?
Get this one.
I didn't do anything.
You're good.
You're lying. I didn't do anything. Stop. I'm not doing anything. I walked out the premises. I didn't do anything. Stop it. Stop. Y'all chasing me. I didn't do anything.
Oh, you got my hand on your
I didn't do anything. Why are y'all taking me? I didn't do nothing. Ain't no stop. Y'all fucking follow me. I didn't do anything. Stop. I'm not stopping shit. In the car. We have the car. I didn't do anything. Y'all, I walked into the mall. Let's go. I didn't throw anything. Let me go. I didn't do anything. What are y'all bothering me for? What are y'all bothering me for? For nothing. I didn't do anything. I didn't do nothing. Hey, if you calm down. Know me.
Face the wall.
Get off of me. I didn't do anything. Y'all didn't see me do nothing. Get off of me.
Nope.
Get off of me. I didn't do anything.
You want me to explain it to you?
Somebody record.
Hey.
Somebody record. I didn't do nothing. They're following me to the mall.
There's 5 of us recording, okay?
Leave me alone. I didn't do nothing. What are y'all following me for?
Hey,
What are
bring the
y'all
car.
following me for?
Bring the car up here, Amanda.
She protests, kicks at officers, and argues her innocence as they try to get her in the car. Is she being framed or just deflecting?
I didn't do anything. What are y'all stopping me for? Get off my knee.
I just told you.
Get off my knee. Get off my knee, bro.
Hey,
My knee is bad. Get off my knee.
Ma'am, you need to relax.
I didn't do nothing. I'm not relaxed. I didn't do shit.
You're under arrest
Hey.
for multiple charges.
Do not kick him.
I didn't kick him.
not kick
I didn't kick him. Do it look like I kicked him? He would have said if I would have
Can't tell. Nuts, bro. I didn't do nothing. I didn't do anything. What are y'all taking me for?
You won't let us talk, so.
I've been asking the same question.
Okay, do you want to listen?
I walked from the job that fired me for nothing.
You're under arrest for throwing a chair.
I didn't throw a chair at nobody.
Your legs in the car.
I didn't touch him.
We're not doing this.
How can I touch him with my hands cuffed? I can't touch him with my hands cuffed.
Put your knee in the car.
I can't touch him with my
We're not
hands
doing
cuffed.
this. Really? Put your leg in the
I didn't touch him.
Sit.
Do not.
Like an adult. Are you kidding me?
I didn't touch him.
Okay, then we'll
my hands are cuffed. Did I
keep your
touch
leg
you?
in the vehicle. Keep your leg in this car.
Did I touch you?
Put your leg in this car.
Did I touch you?
Claims of injury, yelling, and forced re-entry build a battery case. Witnesses tell a different story. Did she really throw that chair?
So, she made a scene and refused to leave. Ma'am, are you good? Do you need an ambulance or anything? Okay.
So, she was running around here trying to get her stuff, and we're following her around. She's screaming out front in front of everybody else. We're like, you need to get out of the building. So she
caused the scene, basically?
Yes.
Okay.
So then she finally went out the back door, but then she realized she forgot something. Then she tried pushing us all the way. Now, at some point, she threw something. She threw the chair at her, but I was trying to stop her, though.
I'll give you this. Let me go get... I'm gonna get a PD. I'm gonna get a phone. I'm gonna take pictures of that. Okay. All right.
I didn't do anything. I'm
Keep
walking
your hand
to the
behind your
mall,
back
see?
now.
You see? I'm walking from a job that just fired me.
Okay.
And you exactly for nothing.
She slip out.
I'm walking from a job that just fired me.
I
You
don't
see
know,
it? Can you please call on it, please? Are you the owner of
Are they double
Baltimore?
locked right now?
Yeah, they're double locked.
The manager? A black woman, which is why they're doing it. I didn't touch them. They talk about touching them. I didn't do anything. I'm cuffed.
Are you trying to take this off?
You see my hands, don't you? Exactly. You know, bro.
It's too thick at the bottom.
You know, bro.
I went through it.
Okay, let's go. Come on, have a seat. Have a seat.
You know. You see it.
Have a seat.
Try.
We were all blocking the door. She was trying to push her way through us.
Back in like these east side doors.
Yes.
Right this back door.
Okay, so she causes you try and fire. She causes the scene, says she's not leaving. Goes out the doors, realizes she forgets something, tries to come back in, just kind of pushes her way through.
Yeah, we said no.
Okay.
Yeah,
And then she
obviously
refused to
that
leave?
is yours. Yes.
Okay, and then when did she throw the chair at you?
Grabbing stuff and throwing random stuff all over.
The chairs, what else did she throw? Do you want to go over here and show me what the chairs she threw?
Y'all not listening.
No, you're going to listen to me.
You're not listening.
You're going to listen to me.
I didn't throw a
Either
chair.
you're going to get in this car.
Y'all gonna watch
or we're
the
gonna put you in,
cameras.
We're going to put you in. Right. So if we watch the cameras, there's no chair, you're gone.
Exactly. That's what I'm telling you. Why don't you take my word? I'm not the one that called y'all. Spit if I spit out, hulk on your ass. If I wanted to spit out, hulk on your ass. If I wanted to spit out, hulk on you. If I wanted
Get your feet in the vehicle.
If I wanted to spit out, hulk on her ass.
She blames everyone but herself. Officers try explaining calmly, but she lashes out about race, injustice, and the system failing her.
I told you I didn't do anything. I'm walking to the mall. They fired me for no reason. Y'all acting as if I'm a criminal, like I had a gun in Dave & Buster's. That's how y'all treated me. I didn't do shit. Y'all see me walking, and y'all picked me up and threw me in a car like I'm a criminal. I didn't do shit.
What's a good photo for you, ma'am?
Ain't no okay. It's not okay. That's the y'all problem. It's not okay. What you talking about? Talking about okay. It's not okay.
You gotta step out. We're not.
I'm not stepping out of shit. Pull me out like y'all put me in. Told you I didn't do anything. Pull me out. Drag me like y'all put me in this. Like I'm a criminal. I didn't do anything. Y'all didn't see nothing on me. Y'all didn't find anything. I'm not moving. I understand.
Whatever happened out there.
Nothing happened.
Hold on.
That's what I'm telling you.
Whatever caused this.
They got a call and they put cuffs on me as I'm walking by myself, unarmed, nothing on me, into the mall.
Okay.
Handled me like I'm a criminal. I didn't do it. I don't have nothing on me.
The way
I don't
it's
have.
okay. Well, let's.
You're not listening. Got you. What the? What the? I didn't do nothing. I'm unarmed. Didn't do anything. But they pushed me in here like I did something. I got fired from the only job that I have. I have a right to be upset. Being fired for nothing. They let motherfuckers drink, smoke weed, do coke in the parking lot, but I get fired?
Workers do that?
Yeah! Y'all should do your job and check them, not pushing me in a car.
Officers walk through the footage with her. Her own story starts falling apart. Did she assault or just move a chair?
Yeah, I don't want my other wrist to be this red and bruised up.
Okay. All right. How tight is it? Let me see.
Tight enough that it hurts. Tight enough for me to ask you to loosen it.
So our policy right now is if we could fit a finger in there, it's
Man, I took it off before. Can you please
okay.
loosen it?
No, I can't. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to our lawyer and have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. I just need a verbal yes or no, that's all.
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Do you want to talk to me about kind of like what happened today or anything like that?
I figured at this point you know what happened or what they told you. So.
Right. I mean, so I know what happened, but I'm asking if you want to talk about it.
And then I can vouch for myself.
Okay.
No, you tell me first. Go ahead. Because I really want to know what they told you and what you seen.
Okay. So from what I know and from what I saw on the cameras, you had a conversation in the back, like the back, I don't know, Dave and Buster's or something like that.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know what the conversation was over because there's no audio, but I was told that you were being terminated for I don't know what reason. You went like into the main area with the people.
My bag in the front from the closet where I always keep my stuff. Yeah. Okay.
And then you turned around and went back in there, right?
Yeah, I went out the back door where I always go.
Okay.
That's where I always go.
Somewhere, and that's fine. Somewhere in that, you pushed like a chair. I don't think you really threw a chair, but you pushed a chair. It hit a lady's knee. She got kind of caught up. Area
I was trying
outside.
to get my phone. They wouldn't let me get my phone.
It looked like someone went back and got your stuff for you, handed it to you through the door, and then you walked over to Von Mauer.
Yeah, I was trying to catch the bus home.
Okay.
I didn't have a car.
Okay.
That was the only job I had.
And then when officers tried to talk to you, there was an
Yeah,
altercation.
because I didn't understand what the heck they didn't have no right to stop me. But that's what they said that happened. But you seen for yourself that's not what happened, right? Okay, what did you see? Did you see me pick up a chair physically and throw it?
I just told you I didn't see that.
Okay, that's what I'm asking you. So you said there was another chair thrown.
That's why I'm having a conversation with you.
I'm trying to understand what you're saying, though. You said there was another chair thrown, but it wasn't by me.
Like when you rounded the corner, there was a chair that got like pushed down to the ground.
There wasn't a chair thrown.
Still convinced of her innocence, she dares the system to prove otherwise.
That's why officers stopped to try to talk to you.
No, I can't be charged with anything. Are y'all kidding me?
You are. Okay, I'm telling you what you're being charged with, okay? Simple battery,
I didn't do anything.
I saw you try to kick an officer too.
I cannot be charged with nothing.
I saw you kick an officer too when they had you up against a wall.
I didn't kick anybody. Are you kidding me?
Yes, you did.
I was trying to sit outside the car. I didn't kick. Y'all are lying. It's okay. I know how y'all move. I'm gonna get out of it. You don't gotta say nothing else. Do what you need to do so I can get the home. That's it.
That's fair, okay?
Yep.
Do you need any more water or anything
like
that?
I need you to do your job so I can get the home. That's it.
The woman committed battery on a law enforcement officer and resisted an officer with violence. This didn't go unnoticed. See what viewers had to say about it. Nothing says, I didn't lose my temper and attack a coworker like losing your temper and attacking the police. Screaming like a lunatic, I didn't do anything while resisting arrest, and spitting at an officer doesn't help your case. Total wacko. Screaming like a lunatic, I didn't do anything while resisting arrest, and spitting at an officer doesn't help your case. Total wacko. I can't imagine why they fired this sweet professional young lady.
Got it. Move your foot.
On January 5, 2024, 𝒚 47 mph passed a cruiser with expired plates. Officer Bliss stops. Driver instantly fumbles license, insurance, seatbelt, alibis.
6908 radio traffic. Hello.
Hi.
Corporal Bliss with the Southern Police Department. Do you have a driver's license on you today?
No.
You do not?
No.
Do you have a driver's license at all?
Yeah.
You just don't have it with you?
Yeah.
What's your name?
I'm the owner of the car. Okay, what was my speed?
49 and a 35.
I didn't know I was going 49.
Is this your house?
No, I'm waiting on somebody.
It's from this house?
No.
No?
No.
Why are you in this driveway then?
Okay, I don't know.
You don't know? Do you have insurance on your car?
Yeah.
Can I see it, please?
I don't have it.
You don't have it?
No.
Can you put your car in park, please?
I just took it off.
You just took it off?
Yes.
Why?
Because I looked out the window to see why was I being stopped.
Okay. Sit here for a second. I'll be right back, okay? You can leave it running so you can stay warm, but I need to hang on to the keys, okay? Because that's just what we do. That's our standard practice when somebody's DUIs. Yeah.
Why are you taking my keys?
You will get your keys back. It's so that you cannot drive away.
I'm not going to drive away.
I understand that you're saying that, but people do it all the time. That's why we do it. Because your driver's license is suspended and you're not allowed to drive.
Under who?
What do you mean under who? Under the state of Ohio has a suspension against it. I'm not sure who the court is with.
Okay, because I have driving privileges through Lyndhurst and Shakers and Cooper Heights.
Do you have any paperwork that can prove that? Okay.
I'm really going all through it through Shaker. I already cleared everything that's done through Cooper Heights and
Officer calmly requests keys, simple safety, or sinister power play. Driver parries with privilege talk, refuses exit, freezing paperwork, and tow timeline in stubborn limbo.
The question is, can I hang on to the keys?
For what?
I explained it to you already.
And you have me blocked in. You have your camera on?
I do.
Okay, you have me blocked in. I'm not going anywhere.
Okay, can I hang on to the keys, please?
And if I say no, then what?
I mean, I'm going to get the keys eventually.
Okay, but why?
I already explained it to you.
Okay, so my question is, if I tell you no, I'm not giving you my keys, then what?
Okay, because your car is going to be towed.
Okay.
Okay? Can you step out of the car?
Why? Am I being detained?
You have been detained this entire time.
Okay, why am I being detained?
It's a traffic stop. You're detained on a traffic stop.
Okay.
Can you step out of the car?
Why am I stepping out of the car?
Because we are going to tow it.
Okay, there's a tow truck here?
It does not matter if the tow truck is here. We have things that we need to do before the tow truck arrives.
Okay, can I have my citation? What is my citation for, please?
I need you to step out of the car.
Okay, I'm going to wait for the tow truck. Why am I going to sit out in the cold?
Are you gonna walk away?
No, I'm not walking.
You're having somebody pick you up.
I'm not walking.
So you're having somebody pick you up.
Excuse me, ma'am. I'm not walking. Can I please have my citation?
He already asked you multiple times to step out of the vehicle at this point.
But why?
You are no longer being detained and the traffic
out
stop is over. So you need to step out so we can tow the vehicle and you can be on your way.
We need to inventory your car.
Okay, you can inventory the car while I'm sitting here.
You cannot.
Or I can wait for the tow truck. I'm not about to stand out in the cold with my groceries. I'm not doing that.
That's not how it works.
Okay, so can I have my citation and I'll wait for the tow truck and you guys can inventory the car when the tow truck get here?
Will obstinance trump reason? She challenges, officer pries the door, drags her screaming into cuffs, hair yanked, taser threatened, grocery bag spill onto ice.
Right.
Okay,
it's
so
your problem because you're making it his problem.
Whose problem am I making it?
You're making the day extended for the tow truck driver because he has to wait for us to do our paperwork because you won't step out like I'm telling you to.
When my ride get here, when it's time for me to go,
Listen, I'm telling you to step out of the car. You do not have an option.
Okay, and if I don't step out the car, then what?
I'm going to force my way into the car and drag you out, and then you're going to go to jail.
What am I going to jail for?
For failure to comply with my order.
Because you're
obstructing official business.
Out in the cold.
You can have your citation when you step out of the car.
Excuse me, sir. Move.
Thank you. Step out.
Why am I stepping out of the car? Why do I have to wait in the cold? Why do I have to wait in the cold for my ride?
I have already explained it.
Okay, can I have my citation?
Step out of the car. I'm not going to tell you again.
I'm not. Why do I have to wait in the cold? So I'm just going to stand here.
Ma'am, you have one.
Yeah, how is it relevant?
I'm giving you a lawful order to step out of the car. If you do not, I will place you in handcuffs and take you.
Please whoever above you.
Step out. You're under arrest.
No, touch me.
You're under arrest at this point. Ma'am, step out of the vehicle. You're
okay. I want to grab my
You're past it. You're under arrest.
Okay.
Your things are staying here. You're going to jail.
Can I speak to whoever above you?
You are under arrest.
Okay. What around myself?
Put your hands behind your back. Now. I got this one.
I can put my hands behind my back by myself.
So far, you can't do anything like an adult.
Put
it behind your back now.
I would advise you to put it behind your back, dog. Get tased.
Man, get the off of me.
You didn't.
Okay, get off of me.
Wait.
I'm already detained. Get off of me.
We have this female detained.
Backseat theater. Are cries of can't breathe genuine fear or tactical delay? She thrashes, demands looser cuffs, accuses officers while resisting secure seating.
Under arrest.
Okay, please get off of me.
Get in the car now. Go this
Which
way.
car are we going?
Just put it in the
Yeah.
You got anything on you that's going to hurt your any weapons or anything like that?
I'm sure the situation could have been avoided.
Put her. Come on, can you get in the next car?
These handcuffs are hurting my arm. Can you loosen it up?
Once we step up in here, we'll
Okay, I don't need you on me. Get the off of me.
Get in the car.
Get off of me. You're hurting my arm.
sit in the car.
You're hurting my arm. Please get off of me. Get off my arm. Oh, you're hurting my arm. Please. Oh my God. Get off of me.
Just shut it.
Get off. Stop grabbing me.
Shut it.
Move your foot. Move your foot.
Get off of
Move
me.
your foot.
You're making this so much harder. At this point, you're doing resisting arrest too.
Drag her again. Drag her
So
again.
we're just
Drag
going
her
to keep
again.
adding
You're hurting my arm. Get off of my hair.
Stop fighting us.
I'm not. I cannot breathe. I need to get out.
Sit in.
Get off of my hair. Tell her to get off of my hair.
My
Why
hand
is
is
she?
stuck in your hair.
No, it's not. You're putting my hair.
She's trying to get her hand out of your hair.
If you acted like an adult, we wouldn't even be in this situation.
Miss, do you want us to fix your handcuffs?
Yes, please. They're hurting. I keep asking you to
You need
fix
to
them.
comply. Comply. You're obstructing official business. We can keep adding. We don't need to.
I don't feel safe with y'all. Please.
That
Please,
the
wait.
only situation is what you've made it.
Fresh cruiser request, reasonable safety plea or control gambit. Supervisor negotiates, agrees to switch cars if she calms. Drama cools briefly, cuffs rechecked.
Please, please get somebody here. I need some. I do not feel safe.
You got a whole
I do not
shift
feel
here
safe.
right now.
No, it's a civilian.
The civilians
Please,
are
please, I do not feel
welcome on our
safe with
traffic
them.
stop.
Please. Please, I do not feel safe with them.
Okay, come this way. I need you to come this way. Come this way.
I can't really help. I'm just holding her from falling out of the car.
You're pulling me by my hair.
Like this, okay?
Can I please sit outside? I do not feel safe with them. I do not feel safe with them. Please. These handcuffs have been accidental.
Okay.
They're hurting my breath.
You need to calm
I'm
down.
tired. I cannot breathe.
Okay, so stop yelling. Stop yelling. And listen to me. I just need you to calm down. I need you to breathe. Don't talk. I just need you to breathe. Just breathe, okay? Okay? Just breathe. And your cuffs are tight?
Yes.
We're gonna loosen them, okay? That's not how you gonna calm down.
I can't breathe.
Okay.
I'm trying.
Deep breaths,
I can't
deep
breathe.
breaths, deep breaths, deep breaths. Okay? Deep breaths, deep breaths.
When I asked, can I speak with... Soon as I asked to speak with somebody higher, they yanked me out the car. I do not feel safe with him or the lady. Can I please ride with somebody else? I do not feel safe with him. Can I please get in another car with somebody else? I do not feel safe with this guy. I do not.
Okay.
They put all these charges on me. I keep telling them I don't feel safe.
Okay.
No.
But you have to calm down.
Well, I just asked you that before. You told me no, but
I
okay.
didn't tell you that. You asked if he was higher ranking than me.
Who did I ask? Can I get put in another car? I've been asking that this whole time.
Okay.
I've been screaming at this whole time. I do not feel safe with him.
Did Defiance pay? Seatbelt and plate dropped yet obstructing sticks. 1 year probation, $725.00 bite. Cheap talk costs real cash.
They need just to stay here and pin me up against the car. Was about to break both of my arms and she was pulling my hair for no reason.
I was not here. I don't know what happened. I'm going to have you go over to my car.
Okay.
Okay? Because we're going to need to move this car so the tow truck can get your vehicle.
Did you get my phone to make the inside my car?
Step on out here.
In the car, I'm fine.
Okay.
I'm not going to go nowhere.
Stop. All I need you to do is answer my question.
Okay.
If I let you out, are you going to give me a problem getting in my car?
I'm not.
Because if we have a problem, I'm not going to be happy.
Okay.
Do I make myself clear?
I just told you the only reason I didn't want to get in the car is I did not feel safe with them.
Okay.
I'm fine now.
We're going over to my car.
Less 6908.
Sure. Thank you. Gonna watch the foot. Thank you.
The woman's actions constitute obstructing justice, driving with a suspended license, resisting arrest without violence. One major offense is resisting an officer without violence. If convicted, she faces up to 1 year in jail, 12 months of probation, and a $1,000 0-cents fine. A steep price for simply refusing lawful orders. They weren't taken down by police. They were taken down by their own refusal to listen.